Here's my Aero Garden sprout with a ton of lettuce. You can tell I've been snacking on it because I tear the leaves and then they get kind of crunchy on the ends from where I tore them. You know, just go in there and just, I don't have nails right now, but just pluck one off. Get off. Get off. There you go. I've been snacking on these. Oh, I wanted to show my herb tub. This has been like a week since I last trimmed it. Look at all this. Tons and tons of mint to harvest. Tons of other herbs. Tons of parsley, sage, thyme. So you can grow things in your home all year long. It's fun. All right.